In this video, I will guide you how to remove your home address from the company's house register. So for that, just go on gov.uk, the only genuine website. In the search section, just write your personal information on the company's house register. Click search. You will land on this page, your personal information on the company's house register. This is the guidance which was published on 25th May 2018, last updated 21st July 2025. In this guidance, keep going down. You will scroll down and where it says removing your home address. You can apply to remove your personal details from the company's house register. You can also apply to protect a sensitive address like your home address. Some applicants usually open a company from their home address, but then they switch to business address. But they don't want other people to know their home address. So for that, this is how you can do it. If you have used it on incorporation or on public documents such as an appointment form. Further, it says the only address they cannot remove are the address that is subject of a mortgage charge or a company name such as flat management company or a company registered office address or equivalent. You must change this before you apply. So the first step is you have to change your home address to company address. So once you have changed, then you can request to do this. Click on this link, then you will land on this page, removing your personal details from the company's house register. Go down. This service will cost you £30, but then you can remove this. Now let's see what you can remove. So it says removing a home address, removing an occupation, removing a signature, removing a date of birth. How to apply? So for that, just go down. This is where it says how to apply. It costs £30 to remove your personal detail from each document. So if you wanted to remove your address, your occupation, that's two things. So £30 multiplied by 2. You will need to pay for each document listed in your application. Post your application to this address. The form has full instructions on how to send your application and how to pay the fees. Now you have two options. Option 1, apply as an individual for a company UK company. So in that case, you can apply to remove your home address, the date of birth, your signature, your business occupation. Complete an application form. Apply to remove personal details from the company's house register, which is SR01. If we click on this link, we'll land on this page. This is the PDF file. You open this file, you can download this file, and then you will fill this form. So this is what this form is for. You must use this form to apply to remove your home address, signature, date of birth, business occupation. If you tick all of them, in that case, you have to pay extra because it says the cost is £30 to remove your personal details for each document they appear on. So now if we go down, applicant details, application details, date of birth, address, SR01. So what do you want to remove? So date of birth, business occupation, signature, home address. Now in the home address, it says if you have selected to remove your home address, go to part 3. If you have not selected to remove your home address, go to part 4. Then this is part 3. This is where the address they are talking about. Replacement correspondence address. This is what they asking. Document on public register. This is part 4. For example, you wanted to remove the company, your date of birth, your other details. That's where it comes. Authentication, your printed name. Then it asks presenter contact details. So presenter address, all these details. Checklist, important information. How to pay. It costs £30. You must pay the fee online before you send in your application to us. You will get a payment reference number after you have successfully paid. Now how to pay, where to send, this is what the details are. This is the address. I'll put this link in the description. You can download this file and you can use it directly. To pay this, you go back and you on the same page where you have downloaded this form, go down. At the bottom, it says how to pay. So this is where it says how to send your application, how to pay the fees. Pay the fees for your SR01 application. Click on this link, pay for suppression, enter the amount, continue, and you pay for it. Now, if we go back, the next option is how to apply as a company or as a person who registers a charge. You can only apply if the company activities mean the person or anyone else at the address is at risk of serious violence or intimidation. For example, if the company is involved in a certain sector of business, in that case, you will fill this SR02 or SR03 and you will email at this address. Further, it says the team will contact if you are reapplying as a company or a person. Then you must also send the statement to explain the grounds for applying. So evidence to support the statement, a copy of the court order. So sometime if you got the court order, you can do that. Now, what will happen once they have received the application? They will let you know and they will process the application. But if you are applying through the company, it will take 30 days to process your application. For example, the SR02 and 03 will take 30 days. It's very simple and you can do that yourself. Everything is available on gov.uk.